The outdoor unit base pans are first loaded onto the assembly line by robots. These robots begin by inserting the rubber vibration absorbers and then the compressors automatically onto the base pans. This machine is used to remove the rubber end plugs automatically. Here the heat exchangers and service valve set with brackets are attached. Service valve dust caps and valve cores are then opened by automatic machinery in preparation for vacuuming. Other internal copper components are inserted and brazed together. Here the quick connect couplings used during testing procedures and bulkhead are inserted. Here a fan deck and fan motor are inserted. Precision balanced axial fans, made only using virgin plastic materials with glass content, are inserted. An electronic controller assembly is then inserted. Products then enter into a vacuum station, where each one is deep vacuumed using high-volume multi-stage vacuum pumps. Linked computers verify establishment of a perfect vacuum and zero likelihood of any leaks within the system. The products then enter into a charging station, where precise amounts of refrigerant are automatically pumped into each unit and verified. The charging service port is sealed and brazed to establish total containment of the system. Afterwards, more cabinet parts and panels are added onto the assembly. Labeling and dielectric strength hot pot testing to verify the electrical safety of the unit is used. Each and every product then enter into a testing chamber where they run tested under different conditions, and all data related to their operation, such as temperatures, pressures, and electrical currents, are measured, verified, and permanently recorded into the ERP system for permanent record access under the assigned serial numbers. Several parameters of the testing operation are automatically tested by the computer system, and only those that pass all requirements fully are released for further processing. If there are any failed units, they are sent back for rework. Here's a close-up view of the testing chamber and products running inside. Afterwards, a final inspection, cleaning, and branding. Packing, automatic taping, and strapping of cartons then takes place. Final scan of products and serial numbers into the ERP system before the finished products are stacked by robots and then sent to the warehouse for shipment to distribution centers.